Because of the daily life, sun exposure, sweat, heat, and various products used on the skin, these are like micro injuries which cause mild inflammation in skin and cause pigmentations. And these pigmentation can be collected in different layers of skin. If you are using products as a daily skin routine which you are not aware about how they affect your skin, they themselves can be going against your skin and causes more skin issues. So you need to be aware about this. So once you consult us, we will advise you based on skin routine. Along with that, you can go for such laser toning procedure. So laser toning also is termed as carbon peeling. So carbon peeling and laser toning are different steps of the same procedure. Laser toning takes around 15 to 20 minutes where we give multiple layers of laser with minute energies. It is not going to harm your skin, so there is no pain or redness or irritation of skin. These are quasi-pulsed lasers. Higher energy lasers are broken into smaller energies, and these are given into different layers of skin, which will help in reducing pigmentation without causing any side effect. Hello, I am Dr. Deepak Devakar. So laser toning is a very common procedure which is very popular now. It's trending now. Laser toning will help in improving your skin glow, take away the spots, and improve even skin tone. So what is laser toning? So laser is basically light which is going to travel through the different layers of skin, breaking down pigmentation, improving uneven tone, and it also helps in stimulation of collagen, which gives some anti-aging benefits also. Because of the daily life, sun exposure, sweat, heat, and various products used on the skin, these are like micro injuries which cause mild inflammation in skin and cause pigmentations. And these pigmentation can be collected in different layers of skin. If you are using products as a daily skin routine which you are not aware about how they affect your skin, they themselves can be going against your skin and causes more skin issues. So you need to be aware about this. So once you consult us, we will advise you based on skin routine. Along with that, you can go for such laser toning procedure. So laser toning also is termed as carbon peeling. So carbon peeling and laser toning are different steps of the same procedure. Carbon laser facial, which is a very common procedure now, where a thin layer of a solution of carbon is applied on the entire face, which will help in going into the deeper layers of the skin, into the skin pores, which will help in clearing the pigmentation. When the laser light is given on this solution, it will heat up the skin pigmentation, break it, and clear the pigmentation. There are some skin tightening effects also which happens. Open pores are reduced, fine lines are reduced with such procedures. With laser toning, there is also a more smoother texture of skin which is expected from that. So it's very popular to use Korean products now. It is in trend. Everybody wants a Korean glass skin, a clear, spotless, beautiful skin. So for this, laser toning is one of these options which will help in clearing such pigmentation, improving the skin glow. So laser toning is done once a month. Usually around 6 to 8 sessions is done, which gives a very huge difference. The difference can be noticed after 1 to 2 sessions also. The skin texture improvement, smoothness of the skin can be felt with your back of your hands after the procedure. Now laser toning takes around 15 to 20 minutes where we give multiple layers of laser with minute energies. It is not going to harm your skin, so there is no pain or redness or irritation of skin. These are quasi-pulsed lasers. Higher energy lasers are broken into smaller energies, and these are given into different layers of skin, which will help in reducing pigmentation without causing any side effect. We use different energy parameters, fluence, based on the skin type and their age of the skin, which will help in clearing the pigmentation. Now, what are the reasons for which you have to do laser toning? Laser toning can be done if you are preparing for any social occasion, preparing for marriage, if you are preparing for any get-together. It is a very simple procedure. 1 or 2 days before, if you do the procedure, you can expect a good result in just a couple of days. So you can feel that smoothness of skin on next day itself. In laser toning, we use a laser technology called as Q-switched Nd:YAG laser. This is a laser which has specifically for pigmentation. It will help, and as well as open pores and fine lines. This is very effective laser. At our clinic, we are having a US FDA approved Q-switched Nd:YAG laser. It's one of the best in the world. This will treat your skin without any side effect. Post laser, you will require some simple care. You need to apply moisturizers and sunscreen. no need to skip even a single day. Immediately after procedure also, we will be applying the skin care and we'll give you some products to repair your skin post procedure to avoid any dryness of skin. So the most commonly expected adverse effects after doing lasers is a little dryness of skin, which is there only for a few hours. After that it should get normal. And sometimes there can be some little warm sensation, which is immediately when you're doing laser you may feel a warm sensation, but in long term, in a few hours, there is nothing which you will have, there is no side effects of laser. So we can see the uneven tone in skin after tanning also. Tanning is a very common problem in Indian skin. Whenever you go out, within few minutes the skin starts getting darker, and it doesn't go after few weeks also, even if you are indoors. It is response of the melanin in your skin, melanocytes, which produce melanin depending on the sun exposure which you are going through. So once these are formed, the skin is trained to produce more pigmentation. So eventually over a period of time, the face is more darker from the rest of your body. For these conditions, whatever products you use, how much ever sunscreen you use, you may not see a significant difference because the pigmentation would be in deeper layers of skin. It just looks like tanning, but there may be more than tanning. And the face looks darker, neck look darker for a longer period of time, and whatever home remedies you're using, it is not working. In such indications, laser toning works the best. Here we are using a Q-switched Nd:YAG laser, which helps in clearing the skin tone, and you can see a significant improvement and lightening of the skin. So every time you do it, over a period of few sessions, you can notice that there is more brightening of the skin and improving the pigmentation. There are conditions which cause darkening of the skin because of some skin diseases also. Suddenly the skin starts getting dark from the face and neck. They are not aware why is the skin darkening happening, and some people get a bluish grey color of pigmentation, and that it looks more darker and tan, kind of a greyish tone will come to skin. This is what is called as lichen planus pigmentosus. It is also a common pigmentation problem which can happen because of skin disease. This causes a faster darkening of the skin in few weeks or months, and it remains for many years. Now we have patients coming from abroad also who come and take treatment for such pigmentations which are very chronic, long-term problems. Here we use this laser toning Q-switched Nd:YAG laser, which helps in taking away clearing the pigmentation, such as hair dye allergies which cause pigmentation. Now after using hair dye for many years, 5-10 years, there is pigmentation forming at the sides of the face, neck. Some people start getting allergies on the body also, which ends up getting more darker over a period of time. So after you understand it is because of hair dye, then we examine your skin, we suggest stop it or give you alternatives for it, and then we start clearing the skin from pigmentation. This can be done with this laser, which helps in clearing pigmentation every time it is done. So usually monthly once interval is required. Around 5 to 6 sessions if you do, you can notice a huge improvement in pigmentation and improving of the tan removal is done, spots removal is done, blemishes and freckles can be removed. So that way the overall skin tone can be improved by doing this laser, and the laser toning, as we have seen, is giving wonderful results now.